Okay, hello, welcome back. Here's your tech informant. I just got a message this morning from a creator that I think her story is something that I need to share with the community so that we can also learn something from her. I've been talking about this particular issue on this channel regarding to how you should manage your channel or your content on YouTube. So some of you, I know a good number of you watched my last video yesterday, where I shared a mistake a creator made that cost his channel over $2,000, and even the creator even commented on that video. So you can check that video and check the pinned comments. I pinned the creator's comment. So this morning, possibly this creator watched that video and now she reached out to me via Instagram. So this is what the message she sent to me. Okay, I follow you on YouTube and watch your videos. I trust you are doing well. Now, straight to the point. I have a very big problem with my AdSense account. Honestly, someone helped me do the monetization, which was my biggest regret and YouTube mistake ever. Okay, he worked on 2 of my YouTube channels, of which one of my channels got deleted and gone forever, together with all my earnings. Unknown to me, he did some unsolicited live streams that weren't related to my channel or niche. It was flagged as copyright content. A lot went down and the channel was deleted. Okay, the only thriving channel I have since it got monetized by his live stream work on my channel using my own videos. So what she meant here, I believe the person used her content for live streaming. So, and the AdSense account was approved. My earnings have been stagnant at $5.19 for over 6 months, if I'm not mistaken. Whereas the earning on my analytics is different. I'm frustrated and confused. Whenever I talk to him about it, he says that it's an issue between Google AdSense and YouTube and that he's not the cause of it. But I don't trust him one bit. He's cost me so much. I need your help, at least for me to know that I'm not wasting my time and effort creating content. Please help. I'll be glad to hear your reply so we can progress from here. Thank you. Now, these are some screenshots that she shared with me. So this is her end page, and from here her estimated revenue for the past 365 days is $232, and on her AdSense account she only have $5.19, and you can see this is the recent one from November 1st to 2nd of November. Her balance is $5.19. So please pardon me, I have some code and I'm trying to, I just promised myself that I'm going to make this video before I do any other thing. So this the screenshot she shared, and from here she says since April it's been stuck at $5.19. So I'm so confused. So my reply was that sorry about the situation, kindly share your channel's link so I can give some recommendations. Possibly I will make a video regarding this issue. So I thought that I need to share this particular issue with the community so that we can also learn from there are a lot of booby traps in this YouTube street, and if you are new, if you don't know what to do, you can get lost. So now the first thing is that the first mistake she made was to give someone her channel to monetize. This is not the first time, this is not the second time, and this is not even the 20th time creators have reached out to me. There was a time an organization that they are thinking to the music industry. They wanted to set up a gospel music channel for YouTube for solely faith-based content, and one of their mission is to monetize their content on YouTube. So unfortunately, they got a guy that promised them that he's going to monetize their channel within 1 month or so, and the guy eventually reached the threshold. But when they applied for monetization, YouTube rejected their monetization. So now the first thing you shouldn't do on your channel is to engage someone to monetize your channel. That's why you see when you reach out to me and ask me that I should help you to monetize, I say no. It's not that it's difficult for me to do that, but that's not the right thing to do. Because if you can't use your content to monetize your channel, then that's a big problem. If you are consistent on YouTube, I always say this because I know my background on YouTube. It took me 3 years, almost 3 years to monetize this channel, so I know how it is. So when you see others, monetizing their channel within 1 month, 2 months, or even in weeks, you shouldn't have that mentality that yours will be like that. I always say this: YouTube is a long-term project. It's not a sprint, it's a marathon. Now you can see some of the popular YouTubers we know, they did it for years before they have their break. You get the point? So now giving someone your channel to monetize it is like you're starting on a wrong note. You get the point? Just starting on a wrong note. So I would advise you that learn, see, content creating is like a career, because the more you try, and if this is not working out, you will find another solution. I believe that one day you hit the right spot and you see the break. You understand? So don't give people your channel to monetize. Try to do it yourself. Go live stream. There are many opportunities now. Go live. You can go live. You can start going live on your channel. You can create more shorts to get more visibility and all that. So now that this one, then coming to her to her revenue, you see from her dashboard, it shows that she has earned over $232, but in her AdSense she has only $5. So I think what happened there was that maybe possibly the person that she contracted her channel to, possibly the person used another AdSense account to get the first initial revenue and then later use her AdSense. So I believe there's something tricky there, but I won't run into conclusion. I'll be expecting her feedback. I want to see her channel, understand, I need to get in depth of what actually transpired, and also understand the history of the channel. So is this kind of this kind of issue, I always I'm very curious and interested in this kind of issue. So I will definitely give you guys updates much later if our discussion scale to the next round. So please don't give someone your channel to monetize. Do it yourself. Learn from other creators. There are many ways you can get your channel monetized fast. Like people that have reached out to me, a good number of them that have paid for my consultation. I always say this, that some of them, when I tell them what to do, they find it very difficult. See, YouTube content creating is, like I said, it's a career. It's not that easy. It's not as easy as you see other creators or all those popular creators, the way they do it. It's not that easy. So now, before I go, what I will say is that when you're about reaching your monetization threshold, watch my videos, my AdSense videos. If you need someone or two clarity, you can just reach out to me. I don't charge for basic information. I don't charge for that. But if you want me to now do the whole heavy lifting, like applying for your monetization, setting up your AdSense account and all that, then you have to pay. You need to join my AdSense partner, my AdSense support program. That's where you pay. But I don't monetize channels. When you grow it yourself, when it gets to the application, you can reach out to me. Then that place I can assist, because it requires documentation and other protocols that, like the last video I shared, the person lost $2,000 just because he didn't do the right thing. So what's your thought about this? Do you think that the person she contracted, the person stole her money, or was it just the money just got lost in the air? And also let me know if you have tried this, or share your experience in the comment section. If you have given your channel to someone to monetize, what's the status now? Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if if you find it valuable. And if you are not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.